Good afternoon. How are you? Nice to meet you. You are from Kerala. Okay, are you a student or are you working? Okay, you are a student. Are you a language learner? Do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with the co-learner? Okay, you want to enhance your English speaking. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I am using this platform. Okay, let's see. We discuss one topic, and do you want to discuss any topic, or do you want to talk with me in casual manner? Okay, we take one topic. It is a better for us because you are also language learner. I am also language learner. Then it is a good for us. Then I tell that topic. What are some common mistakes that English learners make, and how can we avoid them? Okay, do you want to tell first or shall I tell first? Okay, I will tell. Common mistake English learner make include errors in grammar, pronunciation, and word wishes. And to avoid this mistake, practice regularly. Seek feedback from native speaker and pay attention to common language partners. Everyone they make mistake. It is not our mother tongue, right? We are language learner. We want to learn English language. Then definitely we make mistake. But we have to take feedback from native speaker or who are good at in English. Then we evaluate our English from them. Then we can grow our language, and we can enhance our English speaking, and we improve our grammar or pronunciation, because everyone they pronounce in a different way. Right now you are from Kerala, you are in south part in India, I am from east part in India, then definitely my pronunciation is different from you and your pronunciation is different from us. Then little bit it differs, right? But it's okay. But we try to pronounce in different means correctly, perfectly, and we should watch so many YouTube video or something this day in digital era or technology era, or you can say AI era. We get a so many technology on our hand, right, on our Android phone. If you go to YouTube video, you watch so many YouTube, all native speaker they teach us online, right? They uploaded so many YouTube video and we can learn from that YouTube video. And second thing, if anyone know very well in pronunciation about grammar, we should take feedback from them and try to improve regularly. And it is also means a required daily practice, regularly practice, and we have to invest our time 1 hour per day with language. Then who are good speaker and who are a good at in English, they definitely did hard work and still they are doing hard work, right? They try to polish their fluency, they try to polish their English language, right? Then we have to do it. That is only one miss technique, practice, and we take feedback from others, and we interact with the native speaker. But in this day you see how we connect with native speaker, then it is not possible. And second thing also, we are Indian, our time doesn't support us to connect with them, their time is different. But let's see, if you want to uh, connect or attend any kind of application or paid application, language application like a Kamli application. If you want to connect with them and foreigner, all tutor are foreigner, and you take feedback from them and you practice with them, that is better. They can correct mistake and they can help you, and they teach you how to pronounce perfectly, and they know very well because English is their native language, right? Then we have to do this kind of, but we have to also focus always. We don't depend only a tutor and teacher, right? Teacher and tutor, they always give you feedback or they always help you and they provide you technique and formula, but that technique you have to implement while practicing, right? And that's why classroom always means help you 20%, right? Out of classroom help you 80%, because you get chance to interact with everyone, right? And you have to miss come out from comfort zone. You interact with anyone if you get opportunity to interact with anyone in English, right? Or if always you think I can't speak perfectly, I can't miss, I don't have a good fluency, I don't have a confidence, then you can't do it. Okay, everyone make mistake, but if you think you clear your mind, definitely I want to enhance my English speaking, then definitely you connect with them and you practice with them. You ask them who are good at English language, and if I make mistake, means you correct my mistake or something, then it is also one thing better, right? Then we have to practice regularly, and everyone they make mistake, grammar also mistake and pronunciation also mistake, and use vocabulary also mistake, right? We don't have lots of vocabulary on our mind. We always hesitate to speak, also hesitate to interact with others, lack of vocabulary, because we know everything. We try to uh, transfer our thought in front of them, but we lack of vocabulary, we can't do it anything, right? Then this kind of always require practice, practice, practice. Practice make man perfect, but perfect practice make perfect. This kind of we have to do it. That's why we are different in this kind of also free platform to enhance our language, because we don't have language partner, right? Because if you interact with your miss friends in your state or in your neighbor, then you can't tell I want to talk with you in English. They people don't ready to listen your words in English, right? We have to interact with them in our mother tongue. But right now I don't know your native language, you don't know my native language, that's why we have to interact each other in English. It is mandatory for us, right? Then let you tell what's your opinion.